How's it going, YouTube? Sick Eric back again with another video, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G. Now, this is another mid-ranger that I have gotten. You can pick this up at T-Mobile. I believe it is $600. Now, there was a A71 4G variant, LTE variant, that came out. I believe it was in December. That one is like $400. So why they justified a $200 price hack for 5G, I do not know. I think this does come with the different processors, the 765G processor, same processor that is found in the Motorola Edge. So that might be why it's got a little bit of an increase. And of course the 5G, everybody's pushing 5G. But yeah, I picked up another mid-ranger. I will be trading in my OnePlus 8 for this. But I think I'm going to start going the mid-ranger route for this channel. Hopefully you guys are okay with that. My thing is the flagships are getting too damn expensive nowadays. $1,000 plus for a new phone, and you can pick up a couple of mid-rangers for about the same price. So that's just my thing on it. I could get a couple of phones for the same price as one phone and still have excellent specs, you know, big screen, excellent display, you know, still runs just as good. Cameras are going to be great, you know, they're not going to be top of the line or anything or groundbreaking, you know, but they're going to be just really, really good. Performance should be good on this. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Galaxy A71 5G, get my first impressions, looks and feel, etc. And yeah, I'm going mid-range on my channel. I'll probably do another video to talk about that later on, of my, you know, personal opinion on going mid-range and my thoughts on flagship devices, etc. But for today, we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy A71 5G. So stick around, guys. Don't go anywhere. Hit that subscribe button before you continue watching. Notification bell, that way you get notifications on future videos that I may release. And thank you guys. Let's go ahead and jump down into the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G. Alright, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and do the unboxing of the Galaxy A71 5G and let you know what's in the box, my thoughts, and everything. So here's some stuff in the back if you want to pause that. Not too much stuff saying in there other than what's in the package. A71 5G wall charger, quick reference guide, terms and conditions. Let's go ahead and crack her open and see what we get in the box, shall we? Very excited about this. Like I said, I'm not going the flagship route, I'm going the mid-range route and getting a couple of mid-rangers for the same price as getting a flagship. So here is the box for the A71 5G. So over here on the top, you're going to get a box with all your manuals and crap in here. SIM ejection tool right there. Fortunately, there is no case that comes with this model, the T-Mobile variant. Keep in mind, it's the T-Mobile variant. There was no case that comes with that, but I do have a case coming, and it should be coming today, and I will do a video on that as well. So my Galaxy A71 is dirty. Well, it's got a lot of dust on it. Just the back, just the outside cover. So already has a pretty good weight in the hand. Sides are metal, so that is good. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's a pretty good size, pretty good weight. Let's go ahead and set that aside. What you get in the box is your little SIM card. You get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. A lot of people are doing that. The Pixel did that. I believe the LG V60 did that as well. And you do get a 25-watt charger. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is a 25-watt charging. So that is really, really good. Packaging, like I said, is dirty. It's not used, it's just dirty. So we'll go ahead and stick this stuff back inside here. put it all back up. Upside down. So let's go ahead and take a look at the device. Take off this plastic part, which is like the best part. Ooh, look at that. So yeah, it's got a really nice back. Let's see if we can get some dust off of this. Yeah, get some dust off of this bad boy. So yeah, here is the back. Really nice and reflective. This is that Glastic stuff, which is plastic made to look like glass. It's got this texture, well, not a texture, but this underlayment line on the bottom, and then the top has this other two-tone finish to it. So really nice. These mid-rangers are getting really nice. You have this accented line going down this side. Mid-rangers are getting really nice nowadays. They're doing a lot of stuff the flagships are doing right now, and it's kind of hard to justify spending $1,000 plus on a flagship device when you could get a couple of mid-rangers that do the same thing. May not have all the specs, may not have the fastest Snapdragon in there, but they will be really good and do the job. Let's go ahead and keep taking off this plastic. So yeah, that's my thoughts on these damn flagships right now. They are getting too expensive. So let's continue to take off this plastic that Samsung likes to put all over their shit. So let's go ahead and power it on, see if there's any juice in here. And there is. So we are going to set this up, and I'm going to go ahead and run through some of the specs and show you guys what the storage is on here that's left over. This is 128 gigabyte storage, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and there is micro SD card expansion. So I'm going to set everything up, show you exactly how much storage is left, and go over some specs really quick. So stick around, guys, don't go anywhere. Alright, so we are all set up on the phone, and let's go ahead and jump through some of these settings. So we're going to go ahead and go through storage. Let's see, device care. Let's see, storage. So 104 gigabytes is available right now. 24 gigabytes is being used for the system and etc. So that is not too bad. Keep in mind, this does have micro SD card expansion up here on the top, so that is really nice. That's something that the regular Note 20 does not even have. As you can see, the display is really nice. Nice big beautiful display. 6.67 inches. Definitely gets bright, so that's really cool. Something in the specs, it is a full HD plus display. It is AMOLED, 6.7 inches. So that's really cool. Really nice. 393 pixels per inch. You got a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. So this thing is a beast. So that's really cool as well. 6 gigabytes of RAM. This is the T-Mobile variant. 128 gigabytes of expandable storage. You do get 4 cameras on the back. Your main sensor is going to be a 64 megapixel camera with aperture of f1.8. You do have your night vision, live focus, panorama, food, etc. All of those different kind of modes on here that you do have. Secondary camera is going to be a wide angle 12 megapixel camera with an aperture f2.2, and then your other cameras are going to be a macro 5 megapixel with an aperture of f2.4. And I believe there is a depth sensor on here as well. So you get 4 different cameras in the back. So that's really nice. Fingerprint sensor works. Haptics are a little bit weak on here, I will say that, but not too bad. Front facing camera is going to be, let's see about swiping up all of these. Front facing camera is going to be a 32 megapixel camera. So that's really nice. This is running Android 10 out of the box. So a lot of new features. This is running the new, let's go ahead and go back, about phone, and then let's go ahead and go to software update. So this is running the new Android One UI 2.1, same as you get on, say, the Galaxy Note 9, just got updated to 2.1, so you're getting everything. Everything looks the same as it does on a regular Samsung phone, so that's really cool. Let's go ahead and do a walk around on the phone. You got your power button right here. You got your volume rocker all on the right hand side. This phone is sturdy, no cracking or creaking. The back is plastic, but it is a really nice unique color to it, really nice shimmer. You got your cameras right here along with your flash. Samsung logo on the bottom, you can see right there. At the bottom you got your headphone jack. Look at that. Flagships don't even come with that nowadays. It's considered a mid-range quality now, I guess. USB Type-C, microphone, and your speaker. I think this does have just one speaker. I don't think it has stereo speakers. You get another speaker up here, but that's your earpiece for calls. Up top you get your micro SD card and SIM tray. On the left hand side you do get nothing, so really excellent build. Feels nice in the hand. Display looks really nice for what I'm seeing. Let's go ahead and go into some display settings. Go ahead and click on dark. That's a lot better. Screen, you got two different versions. You get vivid and natural. We'll just go ahead and keep it on vivid. Let's see here. Do you have any other stuff like enhanced visibility, enhancements, high contrast? So you don't get like that enhanced video mode or anything like that on here. So that is a little bit of a bummer. Let's go ahead and change this to 5. Doing some of my setups right here. Navigation bar. Let's go full gestures on this hoe. Gesture hints. Let's go ahead and go back. So really excellent specs on here for a mid-ranger phone. Keep in mind this is $600. So compared to other flagship phones, especially from Samsung, the regular Note 20 is $1,000. Plastic back, almost the same size battery, 4,500 milliamp hour battery. Big display. Headphone jack, you get one here, not on a Note. So yeah, really nice. Sure, you get the Snapdragon 865 Plus. This is the 765G. But who the hell's gonna tell the difference when you're just using the phone, you know, as far as, you know, downloading stuff, watching videos, going on your social media. The only time you'll notice a difference is if you're playing really high intense games, or maybe processing a video at 4K. It may take a little longer, but it's not going to be that drastic of a difference, so you really won't notice a difference between the two. The display on here is absolutely gorgeous. Nice big display. Now I did get rid of my Note 9, I sold it, but I wanted another Samsung device, so I went ahead and got this one. And like I said, guys, I'm going on to the mid-range side of YouTube and smartphones. So instead of paying all this money for flagship phones, I'm just going to try to get some mid-range phones and see how that goes for you guys. I know a lot of people out there cannot go and spend $1,000 plus on a smartphone. Y'all want to, you know, save your money for more important things and get a phone that just works. And this phone just works, period. So that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go take out auto brightness off. And this has been my unboxing first impressions of the Galaxy A71 5G. So stay tuned for more videos on this phone and the Motorola Edge. They are coming. Stay tuned for some comparison videos as well of the two devices, display, speakers, etc. Subscribe to my channel, that way you get notified on all of those videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Y'all take care now, be safe, and peace.